Pag-aaralang mabuti na Malacanang ang naging ruling ng Korte Suprema kaugnay ng reproductive health law. Tiniyak ng palasyo na handa itong ipatupad ang nasabing batas. Ang buong ulat ihatid sa atin ni Rocky Ignacio mula sa Malacanang Live.
Maraming salamat at ipinahayag nga ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte na babasahin pa ng Malacanang ang buong desisyon ng Korte Suprema kaugnay sa Responsible Parenthood at RH Law. Wala namang nakikitang indikasyon ang palasyo na magre-resulta pa ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema ng pag-alma ng ibang grupo. Hihintayin pa ng Malacanang na mabasa ang kabuoang desisyon ng Korte Suprema kaugnay ng Responsible Parenthood at Reproductive Health Act of 2012 na itinuring na constitutional maliban sa ilang provisyon.
My initial reaction would be we would have to wait to read the entire decision, especially given the fact that the report states that some parts were declared unconstitutional, given that the Responsible Parenthood Law has several important aspects. We would like to be given the time.
Idineklarang constitutional ang batas maliban sa Section 7 at 23 o ang pagkakaroon ng access ng pamilyang Pilipino sa family planning.
Access in Section 7 is not the only provision for access. I also understand Section 10 for the process in the distribution. But again, do not hold me to that because I would need to read the entire decision, as well as the votes, the concurring opinions, as well as the dissenting opinions, if any.
Wala namang nakikitang indikasyon ng palasyo na ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema ay magresulta pa ng pag-alma ng simbahang Katoliko.
At this point, we cannot say. We really cannot say. But whether there will be a Catholic revolt, should it be true that the Supreme Court has upheld the constitutionality of the Responsible Parenthood Law, is something that remains to be seen. However, there are no indications of that at this point.
Handa na maanyang pamahalaan na ipatupad ang naturang batas. December 21, 2012 nang lagdaan ni Pangulo Aquino ang naturang batas. Subalit hindi agad na ipatupad dahil sa pagkwestiyon ng ilang grupo. March 28, 2013 nang pigilan ng Korte ang implementasyon nito. July na magpalabas ng indefinite extension ng status quo ante-order ang Korte Suprema.
We have been ready from the day that it was signed by the President. So that would be the Department of Health, and I understand that yes, they have been putting it off, or at least because of its compliance to the TRO that was issued.
At yan po ang ating pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat, Rocky Ignacio.